let's talk about this. Let's say that somebody has taken all the steps necessary to avoid probate, but lo and behold, they passed away owning a timeshare. And that timeshare will require probate. But we often, at the Olsen Law Group, we talk about timeshares as having no value. You can't sell them.
Right.
But there are some timeshares out there that do have value. For example, the Disney timeshares.
Disney timeshares, and also the Disney ones, and also a couple Marriott ones. Because Marriott, I think, does theirs based off like interest and points, I believe.
Okay.
And theirs also have value.
So if mom and dad took all steps necessary to avoid probate and yet they passed away with a timeshare that does have value, well, then it's going to require a probate process to get it out of mom and dad's name and into the names of the kids.
Yeah, and Tom, the most common where I see this, and I do it often, I've actually had quite a few just even in the last few months, are decedents that live in other states. Mm-hmm. And so then I'm having to do the additional step, where the person didn't live here. But that it is most common with residents of people who do not live in Florida.
Got it. And so again, when we're doing estate planning for people and we're advising them, taking all steps necessary to avoid probate, the clients have to do some work. Olsen Law Group has to do some work to make this thing happen. We ask people about their timeshares. And some people will say, hey, this timeshare has no value. It's just a financial burden. When we pass away, our kids don't want it. Well, we just leave it alone.
Right.
If the client says, well, this timeshare is a good one, the kids enjoy it, the kids would like to have it when we pass away, typically the way we handle that is by adding the kids' names to that timeshare deed, all as joint tenants' rights of survivorship, so that when mom and dad have passed away, it will pass to the kids, no probate required.
Absolutely.
So that's how we often handle timeshares when we're doing estate planning for people and trying to avoid probate.